everyone, we are very happy to introduce our new range of multi-purpose boxes. What makes them unique from others are three things. One is their quality. So they are made from solid wood. They are handcrafted beautifully by our artisans. You can see the beadwork over here. There is a lot of detailing. You know, these beads have been picked and they have been put one by one. And third is that you can use them for a lot of things, right? You can use them to keep your makeup. You can see that the drawer is pretty big. You can keep it on your dressing table. You can organize your earrings, your bangles, and you can even use them to hide your chocolates. Then we have this one. This is basically, this just has one drawer, but you can see that there is a lot of space inside and you can easily use it to keep a lot of things. Now available for shopping at Apkamart.com.